So in the previous video I had discussed up to highest priority order functional group. Okay, so for example, if two functional groups are there in a carbon chain, so what should be done? It should be taken, highest priority order functional group should be taken as principal functional group. So when you are numbering the carbons, what should be happening? The carbon which is carrying the principal functional group, okay, should get the lowest number. Here according to that rule, here this should get number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Why? Because if I number the carbons from left to right, this carbon will get number 4. So in left to right and right to left, so in right to left direction, that carbon carrying the principal functional group is getting lowest number. So this is the way how you have to number the carbons when there are two functional groups. So when there are two functional groups, you have to choose which one is the principal functional group, and that carbon, the carbon which is carrying the principal functional group, should get the lowest number. Okay, so now you see here, so the name of this compound will become as, see, but, right? So when this is principal functional group, then other functional group will become as a substituent, means it will become as a branch, right? So the branches or substituent should be mentioned as the prefixes. So it is present on second carbon, that's why you have to mention it as the prefix. The prefix for alcohol group is hydroxy. So 2-hydroxy, 2-hydroxy but. Okay, and the primary suffix is here because all the the bonds are single bonds, so the primary suffix is an. So buton, and first carbon carboxylic acid group is there, so oic acid. So first carbon oic acid. Okay, you remember one more. So here we have two notes. Okay, so one note is that if secondary suffix starts with vowel, E should be maintained after primary suffix. Sorry, if secondary suffix starts with vowel, E should be dropped. E should be dropped after primary suffix. Okay, right? If secondary suffix starts with consonant, if secondary suffix starts with consonant, right, then E should be maintained. After primary suffix. E should be maintained after primary suffix. Okay, so this is the note you have to follow. And one more thing, so when we are counting the numbers, for example, if you see the functional groups like CHO, COH, right, and C double bond O. So whatever the carbon present in a functional group belongs to the parent chain. See here, if you just express this functional group as COH, the carbon is there. This carbon belongs to this parent chain. That's why you have numbered 1. Okay. So if there is a carbon in any functional group, that carbon belongs to parent chain. Means that carbon should be counted along with the carbons in a parent chain, right? So this is one more note you have to remember, right? So now let us see the examples, right? This is what? H3C, CH2, CH2, CH2. This name of the compound is you know, obviously this is number of carbons are 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case I can number in any direction. Why? Because if I number from left to the right and right to left, the same. Why? Because there are no substance, there are no functional groups, so there is no need of following any lowest number or lowest sum group. So that's why I can number in any direction, either left to right or right to left. Okay, so now this is number of carbons are 4. The name of the compound is, the bond is here bute, and all bonds are single bonds, so primary suffix is an and the secondary suffix is e. Okay, now you see here H3C, CH, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3. Now here I will write that, here I will write methyl, and here I will write alcohol, here also I will write one more alcohol. Okay, so H3C, CH, so here 1, 2, 3, see 1, 2 bonds completed, one more bond with hydrogen, 3 bonds completed. According to the tetravalency, tetra means there should be every time 4 bonds around the carbon, right? So that's why here 2 hydrogens are present, right? Here 1, 2, plus 2, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 4. 1, 2, here 2, 4. Okay, so each carbon is having satisfying tetravalency. Now you see here, what is the name of this compound now? See, I have to number the carbon. So we are having here substance as well as functional groups, right? We are having a functional group alcohol which is repeated twice, once on first carbon and once on second carbon. Okay. Why I am saying first carbon? Because this is carrying the functional group which should get lowest number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Now fifth carbon is carrying the substance which is methyl group, right? So now I should write that 5-methyl. The word root is 6 carbons are there, hex, right? So 1, 2, hex, and primary suffix I have to mention. Before secondary suffix, before going to write secondary suffix, I should write the primary suffix. So hex after I should write primary suffix. So all bonds are single bond. See here, all bonds are single bond between each two carbons. So the primary suffix should be an, because it is alkane compound. An. 1, 2 on first and second carbon, alcohol group is there. So hyphen 1, 2, because number should be separated with comma, and number and distillation should be separated with hyphen. So how many alcohol groups are there? 2 alcohol groups. So 2 means di, and suffix for alcohol group is ol, right? So 5-methyl hex on 1, 2 diol. 5-methyl hex on 1, 2 diol. Now just before I had told you a note. If secondary suffix is starting with vowel, okay, e should be dropped after primary suffix, right? Now this is the secondary suffix now. That is the secondary suffix. This secondary suffix is